Hi everyone. Today is the 16th of August and this is our first maths lesson for this week, week 6, and we will be working on whole number. Our learning intentions and success criteria are that we are learning to group, partition and rearrange collections of up to 1,000 in hundreds, tens and ones. We can understand the place value and the role of zero, sequence numbers from smallest to largest using a number chart, and partition 3-digit numbers into hundreds, tens, and ones. Our whole number word wall. We've got the words count forwards, count backwards, number before, number after, more than, number line, number chart, digit, zero, ones, groups of tens, groups of 100, hundreds, and round to. So we can use all of those words within our mathematics work this week. So today we're going to be able to sort 3-digit numbers into hundreds, tens, and ones. So we've got our hundreds here, and our tens, and our ones. We're going to be able to write 3-digit numerals, for example, 211, 342, and 679. We also are going to be able to write numbers in words. For example, 211, 342, 679. Okay, what is my number? Let's have a look. We've got 100. Oh, we've got 4 tens. And we've got 6 ones. What's our number? Let's put it together. 446. Let's check. Great. 146 in numbers and 146 in words. What is our number? Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. And 2 ones. Let's put it all together. So we've got 492. Let's check. Great. 492 in numbers and 492 in words. Let's see if you can do this one. Okay, have a look at the hundreds. Have a look at the tens. And have a look at the ones. Now see if you can put it all together. We can count by hundreds, we can count by tens, and we can count by ones. Let's see if you were right. 628. And 628 in words. Okay, now we're going to look at zero as a placeholder. About 3,000 years ago, people needed to tell the difference between numbers like 4 and 40. Without the zero, they looked the same. So zero is now used as a placeholder. It shows there is no number at this place. For example, 502. This means 5 hundreds, no tens, and 2 ones. Have a look at the next 2 slides to see what place the zero holds. Okay, so we've got 2 hundreds, we've got 4 tens, but no ones. So let's have a look at our number, 240. If we didn't put a 0 at the end, and we took that away, our number would be 24, and that wouldn't be correct. So we need the 0 as the placeholder. Now let's write that in words. 240. And let's rub this away. So that's correct. 240 with our 0 as a placeholder in the ones column. All right, let's try this one. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundredths. We've got no tens, and we've got 1, 1. Our number is 501. So let's have a look again. If we didn't have a 0 in the middle, our number would be 51. But that doesn't make sense, does it? Because we know that we have 5 hundredths, 0 tens or no tens, and 1, 1. So our number must be 501. And we can write that in words, 501. Okay, see if you can try this one yourselves. How many hundreds? How many tens? How many ones? Did you get it right? 876. And in words, 876. Okay. 100, 200, 300. And we've got 10, 20, 30. And 3. So 333 in numbers and in words. Okay, we've got 400s, we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 tens, or 6 tens I should say, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 ones. Okay, let's have a look at our number. 469. And 469 in words. All right. Before I get you to go and do some activities on your own, I want to show you a couple of tools that you can use online. So the first one is at Toy Theatre. So you can follow this link, Toy Theatre. And this is a great one because it's got our ones, our units, our tens, and our hundreds. We don't need our thousands. We're not quite there yet, but if you want to challenge yourself, you can always have a look at it. But we can use these and we can add up our ones and our tens and our hundreds by placing them on here. So it's just a bit of a tool. You can draw all of these things in your workbooks or on a piece of paper. You don't have to do these online, but these are just some other fun ways that you can do the same activities, and you can take a photo of that activity and share it in your Google Doc. Another hands-on activity is this one at Maths Learning Centre. So you can follow the link, and again it's got hundreds, tens and ones. So that one's a really great one for you to move the hundreds and the tens around and add them up all together and show you're working out. So it might be helpful in the following activities to come and use these resources. Okay, I've also included for you the number words just to help you. I know that sometimes it can get a little tricky and we get some of our number words confused. So I have put them there for you as a reference so that you can go back and write your words, all the numbers are there, or you can make the numbers. Okay, now it is your turn. So the first thing you're going to do is complete your number one Monday PDF and then see if you can write the numbers to match using words. So you've got your reference to be able to go back to so that you shouldn't have any reason why you can't add the words to your activities today. Number two, have a turn at making your choice of the following numbers in words with hundreds, tens, and ones. You can draw them or use this tool online and take a photo, as I mentioned before. So you've got a choice here. You can really challenge yourself and you can try this with the number 987. So you're doing the petitioning that we just did and you're drawing and writing it in words and writing it with numbers. Or you can choose something a little easier, 234 or 101. You can also do all three if you have time. It is up to you. Definitely if you are very quick, then you should try and do all three. But if it's taking you a really long time, then stop. That's enough. You've had a turn. You can just do one of those activities. Okay, and then some optional activities for you. So there's a video on the place of zero for you to watch there. And there's also some games. Number 4, your optional activities. You can play a tens and ones partitioning game. At Shark Numbers ICT games. So make sure that you look for the ones that have hundreds, because that's the right level for you guys, is to make sure that you have hundreds. So sometimes in these games they give you an option, and the link I've shared with you is just the main page. So you need to choose the option that is right for your learning. Okay, good luck with everything. If you need anything, please ask your teachers. Bye.